What would happen if the Earth was a moon of Jupiter? Jupiter has over 70 known moons. It is the largest planet in the solar system, so having something the size of the Earth as its moon would not be a big deal. So, what would happen if the Earth was a moon of Jupiter? How would Jupiter's gravity and position in the solar system affect us? And what would our skies look like? Here is what would happen if the Earth was a moon of Jupiter. Jupiter is big enough to hold over 1,000 Earths. While the Earth has only one moon, Jupiter has 79 known moons. So, putting the Earth as a moon of Jupiter would now make them 80. Starting with how our skies would look. If the Earth was a moon of Jupiter, our skies would look really good, as Jupiter would brighten up the skies even if it was supposed to be night. But that is just the look. It would be really difficult for life to survive on the surface of Jupiter's Earth moon. The first reason why would be because of Jupiter's radiation. Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. That means it emits nearly 1 billion times more radiation. So, if you're on Jupiter's Earth moon, living on the ground would be your best shot at surviving Jupiter's radiation. Jupiter's magnetic fields create auroras that are thousands of times greater than that of Earth's. Living on Jupiter's Earth moon would be an everyday struggle for survival. Jupiter is 778 million kilometers from the Sun. That means it will receive 2.5 times less light and heat from the Sun. That would make the Earth a very cold place. Secondly, Jupiter's extreme gravity would generate a lot of internal heat due to tidal forces. So, if you can hide from the extreme radiation and cold, daily giant earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would get you. So, for all those guys managing to survive on the ground, they may simply be buried by the earthquakes or cooked by the volcanic eruptions. Thirdly, every Earth year, Jupiter gets hit by about 10 to 60 comets or asteroids, and Jupiter's gravity accelerates these rocks to a collision speed of about 260,000 kilometers per hour at minimum. If the Earth was one of Jupiter's moons, we would now be in the firing line. Earth being such a small world, it may not be able to survive a sizable impact from one of these asteroids, considering the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs was about 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter. Here we are talking about asteroids that can be over 20 kilometers in diameter. So, an asteroid hitting the Earth moon of Jupiter would be much more hazardous, since the gravity of Jupiter would accelerate it to incredible speeds. Now, there would be nowhere to hide. If you were able to survive the extreme radiation and cold, daily earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, you may not be able to survive a sizable asteroid impact. And that would be the end of the story. What did you expect? Did you enjoy the video? If you did so, then please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, so you will always be updated when we upload new videos like this. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.